Welcome, Inform me is a KIANO 6.1 Pro, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. So as you can see, the device is obviously locked right here, and I have two ways of unlocking it, either via the verification pattern or the Google account. So to get started with the bypass, you will need a SIM card. It needs to have a pin on it, so let's pop that in there. As you can see, I already took off the cover, so can do that quickly. Once you insert the SIM card, it will pop the pattern or the pin for it. So let's insert it, confirm it, and we'll lock the device. From here, hold notification and go to information, which is this eye icon. Then we want to go to advanced, scroll down to browser apps, scroll to opening links, again scroll the way down to YouTube, tap on the icon itself right here, and tap on advanced, and see, I think it's notifications or not. Let me just backtrack, trying to there we go. So when you go into notifications, you'll have three dots, go to help and feedback. I guess we still can't. Additional settings in the app, so from here, then about, and here we should have YouTube terms and services. Okay, this will open up browser. Let's accept it, no thanks. And then on the search bar, you want to navigate into HardReset.Info. And as you can see, we're now on the site. So from here, you want to tap on the three bars, go to download. In a download field, type in Android 8. And there's only one thing that should pop up here. So tap on the download button right here, scroll down, and this time instead of tapping on it, you want to hold the download link and choose Open in Incognito tab, which is the second option. This will prevent any kind of problems from for the download. Sometimes they occur. So let's confirm that, allow, OK, and it will start downloading. Once it's done downloading, you have the option to open it. Click on it, and now, because we want to install it, we need to go to the settings, allow from this source, so check this on, go back, and install. Once it's done installing, we will open it up. So open, and choose Google Account Manager APK install for version 6.0. And again, settings, allow from this source, go back and install. And this time around, once it's done installing, click on Done and choose Bypass FRP. On the other side, browser sign in, tap on the three dots right here to expand the menu and select browser sign in once more. OK. And in here, you will be able to log in with your Google account. Now, if you don't have a Google account, you can always create one. Although I would advise you to do it on your computer rather than on a device here. And once you have your Google account, you can tap here and use it to log in. And from here, put in your password. I'm gonna put in mine. And then choose sign in. Once it's logged in, it's going to go back to the app, and from here you want to hold the power key and select restart. So again, let's put in the pin for the SIM card. And we should be back in the setup screen. There we go. So simply progress through the setup process right now, with the difference right now, as you can see, is this right here. So before this was the verification screen where we needed to put on the previous email address. Now it tells us account added, and it provides us with the account that I have literally inserted right before the reboot of the device. So now we can tap on next and skip this step, tap on more, accept. Now at this moment it doesn't really matter how you set up your device, you just want to get as quick as possible through this setup without really adding anything else. We need to perform an additional reset of it to remove all the leftovers from that account that was blocking us. Yeah, there we go. So we needed to disable Wi-Fi for this to finish. And from here, we need to go into the settings, scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, I believe, Reset Options, and Erase All Data Factory Reset. And as you can see, it shows you that it will remove your, well, basically all the data from the device, that including HardReset.Info, at least that's for me. Your email will be different. So that's the Google account that we have added, but it will also remove the previous one that was blocking us. And if you would perform a, for instance, reset through recovery mode, it will go back to being locked. So from here, if you reset the device right now, it will then unlock itself by removing it. So this will take again a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then back in the Android setup screen with the device then being fully unlocked. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so we can set up the device once more. And now again, this is the pin for the SIM card. So let's progress through the setup. Now this time around, we can add or skip whatever you want. I will choose to skip majority of the things just to save on time, but you will see right away that you can skip Wi-Fi, and I also will be actually able to finish the setup without actually providing any verification of the previous account. Now if you want, you can add the screen locks, fingerprints, whatever, your Google account, and everything will work just fine. Like I said, the device is now fully unlocked, and you can add whatever you want. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, we're now on the home screen with the device fully unlocked. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.